Oh no.
Hey, Hannah.
Hi, Robert. Oh, hi, Brian.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Doing well.
Good.
Thank you for doing this today.
Absolutely. Morning. $11:30. So we'll just jump right in. I just recently finished a bunch of pre-made templates in Command or Canva of like listing presentation, buyer presentation, postcards, open house flyers, literally anything that you could think of. So what I did is I linked them all on a sheet. They're on our website. So now you have access to all of them without having to come to me. So I'm just going to show you where to find them, how to download them, how to edit them, and then it'll be just like really interactive. Like if you have questions throughout, you know me, I'm pretty chill. So that's what we're going to do today. So the first thing we're going to do, have any of you logged into your KW Canva account? I know I've helped you. You've been in?
I've been in it, lost.
Okay, Sarah, have you logged into it?
No.
Okay, so first I'll show you all how to do that. So if you don't know how to get to the free version of Canva that you all have been given, you're gonna go to canva.kw.com. And normally it'll ask you to log in with your command credentials since I've already logged in a bunch of times. I think it's just gonna take me right there. So now I'm in the free version of Pro through KW. And to make sure you're in the right one, it'll say KWX Canvas here at the top. That's the difference. In your regular version, it won't have anything to do with KW. So canva.kw.com, use your command login credentials, and you should be good to go. Now, within this, there's a lot of great stuff. It can be a little confusing because people think, oh, well, shouldn't I go to projects to find like templates and stuff? You could, but, or sorry, I said that backwards. Shouldn't I go to templates to find templated KW stuff? No, you have to go to projects. And this is where the like specific KW stuff can be found. And it's under brand templates. And I will say,
These are the
Yeah.
ones that, which template?
sorry, so you're gonna go, like, you'll be on the homepage of Canva. You'll go to projects. And then you're gonna scroll down to where it says brand templates. Right here.
Oh,
So these are the ones that like KW has put into Canva for you to all use. They're great, but they're also just the ones that are designs. Like it's the same thing. You can make more edits to them now that they're in Canva, but it's the same ones from Designs and Command. So what I have done is I have created different templates for you all to use. So to access those, you're going to go to our internal website, which is kwselectagents.com. And then our passcode is 475. And then you'll get the screen. You've all seen this one, right? You've all been on the website. Sarah, you have. Bill, have you been on the website?
No, I never been.
You've never been on this website?
use it quite a bit, actually.
You do? You've never been on this, Sarah?
I don't think so.
Oh my goodness. This is like the hub. Ryan, have you used this website?
Yeah, just about an hour ago. And
Perfect.
I can't find my favorites tab for Margaritas.
Okay, great. So once you're on the homepage of the website, you're gonna go to the Agent Resources tab and go down to Marketing and Logos. And from here, once the little thingy goes away, at the very top, it says Canva Marketing Templates, access here. If you click on that, it'll bring you to this page. These are all of the templates that I have created for you all to use. So what happens is when you click on, we're gonna use let's use the buyer's guide. I'm gonna click on the buyer's guide, the printable version. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna ask me if I wanna view it as a template in Canva. You'll say yes, view template. You're gonna make sure that right here, it's your KW Canva, not your personal Canva. But what I would suggest is before you click on any of these, make sure that you just are logged into your KW Canva account so that you don't get confused. And then you'll just click open in editor. And what it's going to do is make a brand new copy of the template. So now when you are making changes to this, you're not changing anything about the original one. This is yours now to edit yourself. So
Yeah, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay.
I finally got KW Select open.
Yep. So you're gonna go to Agent Resources,
Okay, that's right.
Marketing and Logos, and then it's the button right at the top. And then it should bring you to a page that looks like this. Okay, good, perfect. So once you're in Canva, are you all pretty comfortable with like making changes in Canva or not really? Where are you at on the scale? No?
Okay.
0.5, okay. Not good. Okay. What about people online? Hi, everyone. How are we all doing? How are we feeling about Canva and making changes and all the things?
I feel comfortable going in and making edits by myself.
Good.
Yeah.
Awesome. Anyone else? That's okay if you don't want to share. I just like to know.
I'm
Great.
comfortable. I wasn't sure if you seen the chat.
Oh, I did it. But thank you. Perfect.
And Hannah, did you mention that this is a Canva Pro account that we have with KW?
Correct. So
Okay,
instead of
that's
having
good.
to pay for it, you now
Yeah.
get it for free.
Okay, yeah, I think I just paid for it, so I'm gonna
Well,
get out of
cancel it.
that. I'm going to. Thank you.
Yes. How do we get into it? So you're gonna go to canva.kw.com and then it will just have you log in with your command credentials and then you'll just log in from there. Okay, so then I guess what I can show you guys or answer questions about is how to make actual edits. So I have two different title pages for the buyer's guide, one with the picture, one without. If you say like the one that doesn't have a picture, you can either delete it completely, or if you press this hide page button, it won't show up when you download it or print it. It might get confusing though, because it'll still show up for you. So if it's easier, you can just delete it and it'll go away. Not a big deal if you delete it, because if you're like, oh, wait, you can just press undo.
Oh. Okay, you're not in Canva right now.
I am in Canva.
Okay.
Yep.
So I don't have anything like that.
Are you on like an actual design?
I'm sorry, I'm in the Keller Williams. Yeah. Yeah.
So now you just have to be in a design to make changes to something. So what I would do, Brian, go back to this page and click on any of these. And what I'm doing, I'm on the buyer's guide, the printable version.
Yeah, that's what I went to as well.
Okay, so then it should say open or view template. Yep, so you're gonna scroll down,
Oh, okay. Top
Yep.
page.
scroll down. View template. And then open an editor. And then now your page will look like mine. There we go. Okay,
When you're in here, it saves automatically.
everything saves automatically. You never have to like press save and be fearful of it going away. This little button up here, if you're ever curious, the little cloud with the check mark, if you hover over it, it will always say all changes saved. And then if I like make an edit, it's just all automatic. But if you're ever curious, you can go up there and make sure that it says that.
You want a password for this Wi-Fi?
Yep, it's KWS, all capital. Egan. Wait. One second. Let me double check. Okay, Delilah, it's 1915
KWS?
KW. 1915 KW Egan. KWE all caps.
KWS?
No.
Okay. So 1915. KW Egan.
Yep. And then the KW and E are all capital.
So you showed us this hide button.
Yep.
Do we just like you use the example, the photos example, so I click on the photo and then click hide, it'll take that photo out, or how does that work?
The hide button is for the full page.
Okay,
So if I wanted to hide this entire page, then I would click that button.
okay,
But for individual stuff, you have to click on it. So like, if you didn't want the picture on there, but you like the way the first page looks, you click on the picture and delete it. That's all that it is. And then for like changing text and stuff like that, once you click on something, this little pop-up bar at the top comes up. This is the font, this is the size, color. You can make it bold, italicize it, underline it, strike through, all the things. It's kind of like in a Word document or a Google Doc. Same thing. This is, it makes something transparent. So sometimes for like photos, like for example, this one back here, it's been transparented. Like it's not the full-fledged image. So if I click on it, I can see that it's been lightened. But then if you just move this guy up and down, it changes the opaqueness, right? Am I saying that right? Of the picture.
I'm sorry, what do you click on to do the editing on that?
So anywhere on the design, if you click,
Yep, I did that.
it will come up with this bar up here,
Okay, yep.
and that gives you all the options. And then there's also a button, an effects button, that can just change the style of the font. Not a lot of, and I don't use that very often unless I'm making like a graphic for something. And then you have this animate button, but that's more for like a presentation type of thing. And then position. So this is when you can like arrange stuff on the page, align it to the page, and then if you click on layers, it gives you everything that's on the page and where it's at. And then you can, you know, move stuff around and all the good things. So it's fairly simple to make changes. It's a little tedious. But what's nice is these templates that I've created, not much necessarily has to be done to them. So honestly, it's mostly going to be changing out your picture, changing your like name and contact information, and then changing the wording if you want to. And again, these are all templates. If you don't like some of the things that are in there, get rid of them because they're yours. You've made a copy of them. So like, if you're not on a team, get rid of it. Take the page out. If you want to change font, change the font. If you want to change the colors, change the colors. So once the copy is made of the design, it's yours to do what you want with it. And like I said, you shouldn't have to change a lot because I worked really hard so that you wouldn't have to change a lot. But if you choose to, it's not super hard to do that. So, are there any questions right now about anything like, can you show me how to do this, or how do you make a picture bigger? How do you add pictures? Like anything like that.
If you want to add pictures, you just gotta upload them first and then slide
Yep.
them over, right?
Yep. So on the side here is a bunch of other tools that you can use. This upload button is where you would upload like your headshot or pictures of a listing or whatever you want to do. You would just upload files, take them from your computer. So if I wanted to upload, for example, let's do, try to find the.
Once you get it uploaded, you can just drag it over.
Correct. So let's say I want to put the KW Select logo in there. I have it already downloaded on my computer. I just need to find where it is. It's further up here. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna pick something random. I want to upload this guy. I'm gonna upload the commercial logo. So then I would just I would select the image, press open, and then it would go into the images spot. So now it's uploaded, and when I click on it, it'll just pop up on my design. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller, I can move it around, I can make it black and white, all the things. So you can do that with listing photos, you can do it with your headshot, you can do it with your own logo, like you can upload anything and everything into Canva. You can also upload videos. So if like you have a buyer or I don't know, if you have a video of a listing that you somehow want to put into a design that you're going to send out in the email, per se, like that's something you can do. You can upload videos to Canva and do the same thing. Another cool thing about,
Are you doing all of that under projects?
it's in the upload spot. So uploads is where anything you take and upload will go into there. Projects is all of the projects in your account. So if for some reason you want to add like this open house flyer into your listing presentation, you can, and it'll pull the whole project rather than just like the text or whatever. But what I was gonna say, another cool thing about the pro version of Canva is you can upload your brand. And with the KW one, the color palette and the texts are already in here. And the logos that are in here are just the like generic KW ones. But what you can do is upload our specific KW DBA logos yourself. So to do that, you would go to, I don't think we can do it in a design. If you go to the home page, and then I believe it's your profile that you would click on. Settings maybe? Sorry, let me just make sure before I tell you guys the wrong information. Oh, right here. So you just have to go to the home page, go to brand, and then in the logo spot.
Sorry,
Go ahead.
when you found it, you said, oh, there it is, and clicked, and I have no idea what you clicked on.
On the home page, brand.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh,
So in this spot, I thought you could add, but it looks like you cannot.
She talented.
those are logos, there's all that KW already.
It's just the generic ones, and I was trying to see if I could change it to where the
So it's like,
specific select ones could be uploaded because.
Can you say the KW select on there?
Huh?
And so that we all can see it,
You can, well, I can't.
like that, like what?
I can't do that, but you could
But you're all
upload
mighty
it.
Powerful KW.
I know, I wish. You can upload it as an image and do it that way, but I feel like there should be a way to make it so that it's in your brand kit. I'm just.
Is it on our KW Select homepage?
mm,
When I saw that Black Tanner, like Black Tanner, oh my god, so you Black
settings. Privacy. Groups. Okay, well. Maybe that's something I have to look into. Because you should be able to like. Add a select brand. And it's just not working that way. But. If you needed to, like, if you want to get the specific KW Select logo into Canva, you would just upload it as an image and then it would be there all the time, just like I did with the commercial one. And then you could just use it for all your stuff.
Where do we keep all of our stuff? Under projects, under templates, under,
When you say stuff, what do you mean?
like,
The things that you've created, they'll be under projects.
okay, and also our
So-
logo would be in there.
The difference between projects and templates, projects are ones that you make, templates are just the Canva ones. So in templates, these are just the generic Canva templates that anyone can use. But projects is what you've created within Canva. Does that make sense? Okay, perfect. So yeah, for now with the KW Select DBA logo, I would upload it just as an image and then you can use it that way. But it's a bummer that we can't add it to the brand. Because that's a really cool feature. Okay. What other things confuse you guys and you have questions about that you would like me to answer? Like any of the tabs that you're like, what's this? When you're in a design, any of the tabs on the side, like that you're confused about, want to know more about, anything specific, or should I just keep blabbering on.
I got a question on your
Yeah.
photos. You've got several photos for your presentation, standing, sitting,
Uh-huh.
stuff like that. Did you do that with AI just through a headshot or did you actually?
No, those-
Someone was taking pictures.
Those were actual pictures. Yeah. Yeah.
Um,
I mean, you could try.
Yeah.
Might look a little funny, but
I know I did an AI of myself just for my headshot
Mhm.
last week and then it wouldn't let me try anymore. So I lost this thing.
oh,
So
yeah, all of mine were different options. Yeah. So. But you could try it with AI. Who knows? It might actually be good. Okay. Well. I guess what I could show you now is like how to download it and then maybe upload it to command. So let's not use the buyer's guide. Let's do something different. Okay, say you chose something for Instagram. So these are all of the Instagram templates that I have.
Are you still in Canva?
Nope. So on the internal website, under agent resources, so the kwselectagents.com website. Have you been to that one?
Yeah.
Okay. And then under agent resources and then marketing and logos, I have created millions of templates, not millions, plenty of templates for you to use. And they're all on this one page. So each of the links takes you to the specific design.
The kwagents.com.
kwselectagents.com. Here. And then the passcode is 475. Okay. So I'm gonna choose one of these templates for my next open house. I like this one. So then what I'm gonna do is change the text, newly renovated house in, we're gonna say Lakeville, Minnesota. And just for time's sake, I'm not gonna change the pictures, but say I have really cool listing photos. I would go to uploads, upload files, upload the picture that I want, and then what you can do is once it's uploaded, you can just drag it from the side over the picture that you want to replace. I'm not gonna do that, but that's how you do it. So now I want to post this on my Instagram. What I'm gonna do now to download this image, I'm gonna go to share, download, and I always suggest doing it as a PNG because it's gonna be a higher quality image. And instead of downloading all 101 designs, I'm just gonna select the current page. Because that'll download just this one. And then you'll hit done and download. Then it'll show up here in my little downloads bar. And I'll open it up just to make sure that it downloaded correctly. There's my image, downloaded correctly. So now what you can do is either if you're better at posting like on your phone, you could email it to yourself. If you want to do it on your computer, you can do it on your computer and just upload it that way. Most people do their posting from their phone, I would guess. Do you?
Yeah.
Phone?
do. Phone.
Okay.
Are you, where in KW Select are you? Are you in Toronto?
I'm in Canva right now.
Oh, okay.
So then to post it on my phone, I'm just gonna send myself an email. So I'm gonna attach it. Open. And send. And then on my phone, I would open up my Gmail app. I would go to the email that I just sent myself, right here. I'm gonna click on the image. I'm gonna download it to my phone, and then I'm gonna post it on my Instagram or my Facebook or whatever. So you can do it that way. You can also download the Canva app onto your phone and log in to your KW account. And then you can just download things straight from Canva on your phone. Because they have a pretty streamlined, like, mobile phone interface for Canva. It basically looks the same. I don't know if you can see this, but it basically looks the same. Like it gives you all your projects. You can create stuff. You can still look at all the templates, but then you would just do the same thing, download it, and then it would just save directly to your phone rather than on your computer. So you could also do it that way too. You just have to make sure that you're logged into the correct account so that you're downloading the correct stuff and then everything talks to each other. So a couple different ways to do it. But yeah, that's kind of everything I feel like I can show you. Everything else is pretty just like you customize it yourself. Like, I mean, I could get into the nitty gritty and like start from scratch to create something, but I don't know if you all want to see that because I've created these templates, these lovely, lovely templates for you to all use.
And they're in Canva.
So
Where are the templates?
you have to find them on the website. KWSelectAgents.com,
Where are they in KW?
agent resources, marketing and logos.
Okay.
And then it's this very top button here, Canva marketing templates. And then it will pop up with this page. And each of these blue text lines are links to the Canva template. So once you click on the link, then you can just open it. It'll just like make a copy and put it right into your Canva account. So I have buyer stuff, seller stuff, social media. I've created reels even that you can use. I have business cards, I have logos, I have postcards, I have signs, I have anything and everything. So now they're all there for you to use. I finally finished putting them all in one spot so that you wouldn't have to come to me and be like, I need so and so. Okay, here's the link. Now it's just all in one place. So anything on your mind that I can answer, that I can help with? Like I said at the beginning, this is super chill. So I can do whatever you need me to do. But that's all that I was gonna show. Because I don't wanna,
Can you print it directly from Canva if you wanted to?
not directly from Canva, you have to download it as like
That's
a PDF or a JPEG,
and
and then you can print
you
it
said
from
PNG earlier with it.
PNG I would use for social media. If you're gonna print something, I would do a PDF. Yep. Just because it prints better in a PDF.
Yeah.
And then it shows up better online as a PNG.
Yeah, so absolutely.
Then you could email it to like a place that'll print them off for you.
Needs coffee or anything?
I mean, if you wanted to like get them like professionally printed, Canva can do that. I thought you meant just like print it on the printer.
Yeah,
But
no,
if
I get
you-
that too, but
Yeah, if you wanna like,
go somewhere and make it color fancy.
yeah, let me go to, like, if you wanted to print your like seller's guide really fancy, you could do that. So let me go to the seller guide. So in the upper right-hand corner here, sorry, it's just loading, so. The share button. It has this print with Canva option. So if you click on that, it'll give you. It'll ask like, how do you want to print it? Like you can print it bound, you can print magnets, you can do stickers, you can do whatever. But say we just want to do flyer. Click on that. And then you'd say print with Canva. And then over here, it's going to give you like how do you want them to be printed? Obviously, you want to print all the pages because this is a presentation. So you can do double-sided, you can do single-sided. Oh, it does say it's a 30-page limit. Too many pages, remove pages to meet the 30-page limit or remove print all pages to continue. Interesting. Didn't know it had a 30-page limit. Anyways, but then you can like look at the little preview and it'll show you like, ooh, yeah, that actually looks really nice. So fancy. And then you can pick the page options. So they have standard, premium, deluxe, synthetic. You can do matte, gloss, or uncoated. And then it'll give you, like if you wanted 150, if this was just one flyer per se, if you want 150, it would be $85. And then they would just ship it right to your house. Normally it takes a week for shipping. Canva.
I don't know anybody else, but all I'm seeing is two options for paper standard.
You might be in your
I keep telling her, I'm like,
free account,
why don't you do that?
possibly.
Yeah, they show it. Well, because it's not.
Right. Yeah, that's how you can print with Canva. Otherwise, you can just download stuff as like PDFs or JPEGs or whatever and bring them to like a print shop.
The show.
Either way.
You're not.
This is only my second day.
I got left, I got other notes.
It's all supplemental KW. KW two is.
It will say at the top, KWX Canva is here. It'll look like this.
Well, yeah, plus they were here, so. I have not the options.
I can look at it.
Yeah, well, let's look at it.
I can look at it. You. Okay. Is there anything else? Anything else? Was this helpful? Is it
Yes.
nice to have these templates? Are you gonna use them? Hopefully. Because I spend so much time on them.
On the ones where like your pictures and there, can we edit and put our picture?
Absolutely. Yep. If you do like a drag and drop, it'll just replace me with you. And I did that on purpose so that you guys could see that like you can have images or you don't have to. Like if you don't want anything at all, you can just get rid of it. But yeah, once you download them from that sheet, they're yours. They don't change the original one. They just change
Okay,
now that they're yours.
so we have to download them first.
Exactly. Well, great. Anything online? Was this helpful at least?
Yes, thank you.
Good. Okay, well, I'll hang back and I can help people individually. But that's all I have. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Hopefully the templates are what you're looking for. So,
Thank you.
all right. See everybody online.
Thanks, Adam.
Yes, of course. All right. Let's take a look, Brian. Let me just end the